Good morning, everybody, and welcome to episode 5 of the ABSA SME Funding Readiness Webinar Series. My name is Vitoko Galebe, and I am delighted once again to be your host and facilitator this morning. Today's episode is all about attracting investors and how to make your business appealing. So next, I am pleased to welcome Kanya Machikwe. And what Kanya does is that Kanya is deeply committed to empowering and supporting SMEs throughout our country.
Good morning, Vitoko, and good morning to everybody on the line. I am a little bit sad actually to know that we are at the final episode. You say 505. And it's been quite a great journey to go through the different episodes and the different topics that we've covered. And I mean, you've mentioned a few of them. So it's quite important for me to talk about the why, right? So we're a bank. Why would we run a funding readiness webinar series? As a business owner, one of the things that we understand is it takes a few things for you to run a successful business. You need access to markets. So those are people that are going to be buying your goods or services. You need access to business development support. So how is it that you're able to scale your business? And then, of course, you need access to finance. And this Funding Readiness Webinar series has put together all three of those. So those questions you are asking are really responding to the access to markets. This is really an opportunity for you on the line to share a little bit about your business. It's an opportunity to network and potentially get some business from each other.
And our next speaker, Dion from ABSA. So Dion, thank you so much for honoring our invite this morning. It is quite a pleasure to have you with us, and over to you.
If we look at commercial property finance, there are a couple of themes that we look at in terms of product offerings that we have. Commercial property is looked at a little bit different than your normal residential. How do we see the difference between commercial property finance and normal property? So the purpose of this facility is to finance properties owned and operated by the client. So it's where you want to have your business property that you operate from belong to yourself.
To continue and go to the last part of our webinar this morning, and that would be a conversation between myself and Keshni Morar.
Such a lovely day, and I'm so honored to be here. Thank you to ABSA and the Frankfurt School. I can't wait to kick this off. So let's get cracking.
So what are some of the key metrics that businesses should then highlight to showcase their operational efficiency?
So things like your profit margins are quite important, understanding your cost base, understanding your variable versus your fixed costs. How can you use those levers to improve your margins, improve your operational efficiency? For me, big, broad always plays a role, understanding your customer and making sure you're solving their problem, but not the problem you think you need to solve.
So to the SMEs that have joined us from episode 1 to episode 5, thank you very much for taking the time. I hope that this webinar series has been everything and more. And with that said, my name is Vitoko Galebe, and it has been an absolute pleasure and an honor to host you and facilitate this entire series. Till the next one, thank you and enjoy your day further.